harvest this one from over here to there and sold it to the market. So this one, we're just gonna harvest this one here. Look at that. So we're harvesting. So this one. Wala siguro. Yeah, so we just only harvest one and we're gonna put it in the in our dish. For example, chickens or fish. You know, the reasons why when you're gonna sell it in the market, you're going to take it all together with the roots so that it will take for a few days. You know, because there's still roots. You know, so but if you just cut it one without the roots, next day it will be like this, dying. You know. Plus it's been raining, so it's another, you see it. Did you see that area? It's Nanay, ang imo camera is already ready for planting here. Look at that. The whole area there. You know, so it's ready for planting.
Planting na solyo.
Kuya Holyo is already started planting there. Pogi. Bring this one, Pogi. Kaw. Ulit na kaw.
Gawin na, ilamas na.
Ulit na ge. Dalhan ni ge. You know, so here, Mananglina got sweet potato, but it's a lot of grass because it was not been cleaned up. But the papaya here, look at the papaya, Nanay. Ang kamera, Nanay, dito ikaw ang ulo. Look at the papaya, Nanay. It's a lot. So here,
Kadamog.
so we just have one here ready to go. Yeah, so we stop by here and say hi to Mananglina. Nice food, Nanay. Malakaw taliklik. Yeah, so look, asa di ka mulakaw, mura man ka padong ikasan sa mura o sige nanay, o sige nanay sa kasal nanay, badyaw, o sige nanay, o sige nanay, kanang iyang kupo nanay, mura og abay.
Abay. Marag abay.
Abay na sa taliklik. Taliklik man o taliklik ba? Mga untag kuan talikton nali. Taliklik. Dalhan na ako.
Kano na yung tuna?
Yeah, so taliklik has no more modules because it's already vacation time. And look at what she write. I love. Huwag mong ipagsiksikan ang sarili mo sa taong ayaw sa'yo. Tandaan mo, hindi ka sardinas. From me, ay, klaro ka ni mong agi, ay! Ang babaeng hindi mamunga, dapat maghanap ng lalaking hindi marunong kumain.
Lang, di mo guna ako
Ako officially mungaan ko lovely. Yeah, this is a good if you're having love life, you write down, look at that. You know?
balurot man ko na.
Oy, kay klaro nimo agi.
Balurot para kay magagin ako ni balurot na ino.
Yeah, so this is taliklik penmanship saying ang babaeng hindi marunong magluto ay dapat maghanap ng lalaking hindi marunong kumain. #mungaan. So Nanay is reading the love letter of taliklik. It's like it's like a lines where you're instead you cannot say to that person personally, so you prefer to write it down to burst out your heart and your emotions and your love. So nanay, what can you advise to taliklik nanay?
Uy, na, di dapat ako na, balulot na na, balulot na.
Nanay, what can you advise to taliklik nanay? The time passed. You notice nanay, it's been 5 years ago. They still have a lot of sipon in their nose, you know, and then a lot of muta.
Amo.
And you know, so what can you advise them nanay? Nanay.
Babal ko ay nga lagi ng mga batanon pag bago pang buwak nga buklad pa yung gugma.
So nanay said that it's just like a flower, just newly opened. You know,
Kaya ako yung nagtanong.
just newly opened, so which is normal.
Balulot na
Kanya.
yung nagtanong, nagbuhat.
Inagbukad sa buwak. Nanay buyog ng siba-siba.
So nanay, nanay said that once the flower are open, it's like the blooming. There's a lot of bees, you know, so it's normal. So sa may advice ita liklik nanay.
Now, school na isa, di isa mag-uyab-uyab.